Good morning, student. In the previous part of the video, I have explained you how topo sheet can be divided, and I have explained you that topo sheet are based on the difference of longitude and latitude line, and which form grid. And this grid has been given a number through which we can easily find out which topo sheet is covering and of which particular area. So every topo sheet has been given a number, and the topo sheet which has been given a number are named after the most important country which they are covering. Like here the topo sheet has 43, and here the important city is Srinagar. Then the name of that topo sheet will be Srinagar topo sheet. In the same way, all topo sheet has been given the name. I have told you that topo sheet can through topo sheet we can identify that which type of landform are present in that particular area. And how can we identify? We can identify through contour line. So what are contour line? Suppose here is a sea level, here is sea, and here is a mountain. So we will measure what is the difference of height of this mountain from sea. मतलब कि इस हिल का सी से कितना डिफरेंस है, कितना ये सी से अबव है. सपोज़ ये 100 मीटर यहाँ पर अबव है, फिर और ऊपर जाएंगे 400 मीटर अबव है, 800 मीटर अबव है. इस तरह इसकी हाइट सी से अबव होती जाएगी. सो द पॉइंट विच हैव सेम हाइट, लाइक अगर यहाँ पर आपका 100 मीटर है, यहाँ भी 100 मीटर होगा, सी से यहाँ पे भी 100 मीटर होगा. तो इस लाइन को ऊपर मिलाएंगे हम लोग, और जब इस लाइन को ऊपर मिलाते हैं तो ये इस तरह का फिगर फॉर्म होता है, जिसको कि कॉन्टूर लाइन कहते हैं. एंड ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्टूर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट the height of same area. Like here it is showing 400 meter, here it is showing 800 meter. So it shows the difference of altitude. So the higher the steeper the slope will be, the more closely the contour will be. Like मतलब कि जितना ज़्यादा किसी भी लैंडफॉर्म में स्लोप होगा, लाइक हेयर दिस माउंटेन इज़ टोटली स्टीप, यानी कि इसका स्लोप बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो यहाँ पर जितना ज़्यादा आपका स्लोप होगा उतनी ही कॉन्टूर लाइन क्लोजली फॉर्म होंगी इस तरह. और जितना ज़्यादा किसी भी लैंडफॉर्म का स्लोप कम होगा, जेंटल होगा, लाइक इन दिस वे. सो देयर contour line will be very less, like one line is here, one is here, and one is here. They are drawn at a distance. So here is a distance in contour line, and here contour line are drawn closely. Here the example of topo sheet has been given, and topo sheet are based on conventional symbol. A symbol has been given to every feature, like post office has been given a symbol of PO, car track has been given a symbol of 2 red line, etc. So here these lines are showing railway track. Here the blue lines are showing that here river is going, and yellow part is showing that here is cultivated area, and red part is showing that here people are living, it is a living area. So one more topo sheet has been prepared by India, which is known as World Geodetic System, which is based on datum level. Survey of India topo maps are printed in both colored and uncolored edition. मीन सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ने टोपो शीट को कलर प्रिंट शीट में भी पब्लिश किया है और अनकलर एडिशन भी इसका पब्लिश किया है. In this topo sheet 7 colors are used and hill are shown as brown contours, barren land are shown in white, water courses are shown in blue. So here the color has been given that which color shows which features. Representation of relief on topographical map. I have told you that relief is shown by contour line. So contour line here. Isohypses are those lines that connect point having the same altitude above a chosen reference level. Like here I told you that here is a sea and we have chosen sea as a रेफरेंस लेवल. मतलब हमने सी को रेफरेंस लेवल माना है कि कोई भी चीज़ हम किसी भी चीज़ की हाइट निकालेंगे तो इस सी के लेवल से निकालेंगे. तो ये हमारा रेफरेंस लेवल है और ये हमारा यहाँ पर हमने हाइट मेज़र करी है और इस हाइट को मेज़र करके हमने जो कॉन्टूर बनाया है जहाँ जहाँ पर सेम हाइट कनेक्ट कर रही है कॉन्टूर लाइन. सो इसको दैट विल बी नोन एज आइसोहाइप्सिस. Mean that are based on earth's surface and the reference level is called a datum. Means हमने यहाँ पर C को reference level माना है तो this reference level will be known as datum. Now depth contour or bathymetric. As we shows the altitude of earth surface, here is there is also altitude beneath the sea level. Like जैसे कि ये सी लेवल से हमारे अर्थ सरफेस की हाइट है, सेम उसी वे में सपोज ये हमारा सी है, हाउ मच इट इज़ डेप्थ beneath. Like here it is depth of, here the depth is 500 meter, here the depth is 400 meter beneath the sea, here the depth is 700 meter. So the point where the same height beneath the sea, that connect the point through the contour line, and these contour line is known as bathymetric or depth contour. Like here the depth contour are representing by sky blue color, and these lines are showing the same vertical distance beneath the water surface. So this is known as bathymetric. Datum. I've told you about datum, that the reference level which we choose is known as datum, and we have choose the reference level of sea level. So then sea level will be known as datum. So you know that sea level is not something that can't be same at every time. sea, suppose ये यहाँ पर हमारा ये sea है, किसी वक्त किसी टाइम पर ये सी लेवल यहाँ पर है. Sometime it can be increase, sometime it can be increase like here, sometime it can be decrease like here. So sea level can't be same at every time. So we have taken out the mean level. मीन्स हमने सी लेवल की इंक्रीज़ होने पर और डिक्रीज़ होने पर उसका एक मीन लेवल निकाल लिया है और उस मीन लेवल को हम रेफरेंस पर यूज़ करते हैं, and that is known as mean sea level. So in the next part of the video I will told you more detailed about contour line.